What signs indicate that I need a new wiring harness on my car? Electrical issues. If you're experiencing flickering lights, malfunctioning power windows, or an intermittent radio, it could be a sign that your wiring harness has seen better days. Modern cars rely heavily on electronics, and when they start acting up, it's often due to faulty wiring. Blown fuses. Frequently blown fuses are a telltale sign that something is wrong with your vehicle's electrical system. A damaged wiring harness can cause shorts, leading to blows in the fuse box. While fuses are designed to protect your electrical components, consistently having to replace them isn't normal and requires attention. Burning smell. A burning smell, especially one coming from your dash or engine compartment, is never a good sign. It usually indicates that wires are overheating and possibly melting their insulation. This is not just an annoying problem, but a potential fire hazard that needs immediate attention. Visible damage. If you pop the hood and notice frayed wires, corrosion, or exposed conductors in your wiring harness, it's a clear indicator that you need a new one. Physical damage can lead to shorts and other electrical issues that could strand you or cause more extensive damage to your car's systems. Check engine light. A malfunctioning wiring harness can trigger the check engine light. If you've ruled out other common causes, it might be time to inspect the wiring. Inconsistent performance. Do you notice your car starting inconsistently or stalling unexpectedly? Inconsistent performance can be due to poor electrical connections. While many parts can cause these symptoms, a compromised wiring harness is often the culprit. Poor fuel efficiency. Electrical problems can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency. If your car's mileage suddenly drops and you haven't changed your driving habits, a new wiring harness might be in order. Addressing these issues sooner rather than later can save you from more significant headaches down the road. If you're in the Portland area and experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be worth taking your car to a local mechanic to get the wiring harness checked out. Don't wait until you're stranded. Your car's electrical health is essential for its overall performance and your safety.